I'm dyeing my gray roots and I wanted to share this with you as it's a very popular request that I get. I've got these gray highlights in the front of my hair and then towards the middle that I like to cover just because it makes me feel good these days, and so here's how I do it. I'll be using hair dye color and developer, and so this is not really a how-to video. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I suggest going to one to get this done correctly so you don't hurt your scalp or hair health. I'm really just sharing what I do because I get this question a lot, and maybe it'll also help anyone who's watching, stylist or not. I'll explain why I no longer use henna later on in this video, so keep watching. I start by separating my hair into 3 sections, 2 in the front and 1 large one in the back that starts right at the crown. These are pretty large sections because I don't need to color too much of my hair, which is great because it makes this a super quick process. All right, so I've created my targeted sections. I'm gonna mix my hair color, but before I do, I want to acknowledge the sponsor of today's video, Native. Native makes daily staples like deodorant to now body wash, lotion, toothpaste, hair care, and skincare. They're clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, and they even offer a plastic-free version of their deodorant using the same formula but with more sustainable packaging. It's earth-friendly and 100% plastic-free. Their formulations are aluminum-free, paraben-free, clean, and simple. There's a ton of scent options to choose from, and even a new sensitive line, which I personally love because the skin under my arms tends to be very sensitive, especially after I've shaved. My new favorite is the coconut and vanilla, which smells great, and so anything with real coconut is going to be a great option when reaching for deodorants that keep you feeling fresh. It's super smooth when applied and offers 72 hours of odor protection. The promotion that Native is offering to the Natural 85 community is over 33% off your first Native starter pack. That's 3 full-size deodorants worth $39 that you're going to be able to grab for just $27. All you have to do is use my link in the description box and the code NATURAL2. Don't miss your chance to grab your first Native starter pack for 33% off using my link below and my code NATURAL2. Thank you so much to Native for supporting my channel and sponsoring today's video. Okay, so this is not a how-to, but you guys asked. I use the Permanent Deep Shine line by Rusk. It's super dependable at covering my grays and the color doesn't fade. I buy it at my local Cosmoprof in level 2 color NC. I enjoy the Maria Nila developers. I gave them a try and they work pretty well, so I'm still using them until they run out at least. Using 20 vol is usually recommended to successfully cover gray hair because they can be more stubborn. My hair actually does pretty fine with a 10 volume, but to be safe and to make sure that I have no fading, I mix the 2 together to land in the middle at 15 vol. My hair is high porosity. I don't need a ton of strength to get it to absorb, so as always, I prioritize my hair health, reaching for the least amount of chemicals needed to get the job done. Mixing this color specifically is 2 parts developer to 1 part hair dye. And again, I'm just showing you what I do on my own hair. This is not a how-to. If you want this treatment done, please contact your local stylist and ask for this brand of hair color at level 2 color NC or similar, and they can do it for you. Now, my grays are so random. I have them around the perimeter of my crown and smack in the middle of my head, which is so annoying. So I attack those first so that as I'm reaching back, my arm doesn't get dye on it. Then I quickly work the 2 front sections next, going around the perimeter first, of course, making sure the gray areas are saturated. I have random little gray baby hairs around the front of my hairline too, which is what I'm making sure that I get here. When the perimeter of both sections are done, I apply the color to the inside of each section, only where needed. If you see that some spots have been skipped, it's because there's no gray hair there. Now, you're probably asking, Whitney, you used to use henna, why don't you use henna anymore? It's a very simple reasoning. It just takes me way too long. I absolutely do not have a full day to commit to dyeing my hair with henna anymore. And then after I got my license and learned how to do this, and it's so much quicker. This takes me under 1 hour total to mix and apply and only about an hour to wash out. So when it comes to henna, it's really just that I don't have time for it. Plus the henna and indigo tended to fade in my hair, causing a really strange effect after a while. So again, for me, this is just quicker and more dependable. It's not natural, but hey, your girl is all about balance, not perfection. So I set my alarm to 40 minutes, and when the alarm goes off, I hop in the shower to rinse this out, shampoo my hair thoroughly until the water runs clear, and you do not want to use a clarifying shampoo to do this. You're gonna wait a couple of weeks before you clarify. And then condition and style like normal. And that's it. It's so quick and easy. And now your girl is feeling like herself again. I've just been through a lot. You know, I needed to see myself in the mirror, and this is good for my mental health for this time of my life. One thing I will say is that because this is so quick and easy, I really have to force myself not to do this treatment more than once every 6 weeks so that I don't overdo the chemicals on my scalp, which is why you'll often see me covering my gray roots with a powder in some hair tutorials. It's just because I'm trying to extend my hair dye day. So again, this is not a how-to. I don't want you doing this by yourself. Chemicals can damage your hair and scalp if not done correctly. Please seek a professional to help. This is really just to show you what I do and what color brand I found success with for those who are asking. I hope this helps, fam, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.